How to clear data cache on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear data cache files on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear data or cache on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, on an Android phone you can go to storage settings and clear the data for an app, but on iPhone what you have to do is open up settings and then go to general. Once you go to general, go to iPhone storage. Select a specific app that you'd like to basically clear the cache files for, so I'll select YouTube over here. Now you can choose to delete the app and then reinstall the app, or you can just choose to offload the app here. Tap on the offload option here. Once you tap on offload, you can now again go ahead and simply select reinstall app in order to reinstall the YouTube app again. This will fix any sort of issue that you're having with the YouTube application. If this doesn't help, try to delete the app and then reinstall the app again. So hope this video helped you as to how you can clear data or cache files on iPhone. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.